Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. What's new for 2022? For 2022, Alfa Romeo renames the T-Sport trim the Veloce and adds a host of newly standard features. The latter includes a suite of driver assists such as adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and front and rear parking sensors. Also now standard are an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, built-in navigation, front and rear heated seats, and wireless phone charging. Every model now also has dark exterior trim on the grille, exhaust tips, roof rails, and skid plate. The T trim levels adds a gray body kit. Inside it adds an aluminum footrest and sport pedals. The Sprint and Veloce trim come with aluminum pedal shifters mounted on the steering column. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Stelvio's turbocharged 4-cylinder sends a hearty 280 horsepower through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard on the base model, but all-wheel drive is optional and standard on the rest of the lineup. While the engine was effortlessly quick in our testing and sounded great, the Stelvio's sole setup, aside from the high-performance quadrifoglio, eliminates choices for the buyer and limits towing to a maximum of 3,000 pounds. During daily driving, we were particularly fond of its responsive throttle and smooth power delivery. Its raspy exhaust note sounded enthusiastic and appropriate for this application. In addition to its beautiful design, the Stelvio boasts athletic handling and a compliant ride. Even with its 20-inch wheels, the version we tested provided sufficient isolation from all but the harshest bumps. While its maximum cornering grip was similar to rivals, the Alfa is the alpha dog when it comes to driving engagement. The chassis, which is shared with the Giulia sedan, had damping that was composed and comfortable. Although the Stelvio steering isn't as sharp as the Giulia's, its light effort and quick reflexes were still exceptional, especially for a crossover.